Hi, it's Jason from Fine & Country in Bideford, North Devon, and welcome to Ford Mill Farm, a sprawling 4-bedroom original farmstead offering 9 acres of land, 2 lakes, riverside views and stream borders, located just on the outskirts of Woolsery in North Devon, about 4 miles away from the coast as well. It offers 2 holiday lets, it has its own orchard, and it also has equestrian facilities as well. So come on, let's take a look around. Inside the main farmhouse, it really is a blend of character features and modern spaces. I'm standing in the main kitchen, which has been recently upgraded. It has a Rangemaster oven, lovely central island as well, circumvented with lots and lots of open work surfaces as well. All interconnected with other areas of the house. This really is a lovely viewing point to look out over the grounds. As well as the main farmhouse, there are 2 highly successful holiday lets with this property. There's a 2-bedroom and a 1-bedroom respectively, and both have been finished to a really high standard throughout. And how's this for peace and tranquility? You have your very own nature reserve. You can use this for yourselves, of course, but also you potentially could use it for an ideal glamping site. Ideal also for fishing, and it is believed that there is carp in the lake as well. And I'm now right at the base of the plot with this stunning stream and river border behind me. This really is a wonderful and special place, which is full of surprises. So if you're interested in a property like this and you'd like to arrange a viewing with us, then give Fine & Country a call today on 01237 426 018. Thank you.